Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a voting poll on the Threads application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Threads. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Instagram via a shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Make sure that you are signed into your Instagram account. Go to profile and let's now go to our Threads handle, Computer Science Videos. Wait for that to load. Go to the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the plus sign. We will now click on voting poll to register a poll for our audience. The question will be, are you looking to switch to the next iPhone? Then we can say yes, no, and then click on post. This is now posting. Now been posted. Click on view, and there we go. So give it some time, come back. You will then see the results from your audience. Go back one, right click, reload the page. And there we go. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.